You are aiming at establishing a concise documentation solution. However, most solutions come either too bulky, too pricey, or just too complex for your team to implement. This is precisely when Bookstack comes into play, as it is meant to make knowledge bases feel simple and not cumbersome. Bookstack is a free and open source documentation solution that is self hosted, and therefore it is up to you to host both the software itself and its data. One of the key elements that still keeps many people happy with using Bookstack is its structure, which includes such components as books, chapters, and pages, making it easy to navigate and impossible to misplace any piece of content. For those seeking a solution that is easy and clear without being an enterprise wiki, this feature is very important. Now let's discuss the reliability factor. It is still perceived as a reliable alternative for users who are looking for a simple to use knowledge base that is easy to learn and self hosted. The feedback from users and reviewers is unanimous. It is described as simple, practical, and suitable for users with different levels of technical proficiency. And this is important since a documentation tool will only work if your team continues using it. Here are the pros of Bookstack. This solution has a structural content management system, a standard BYSIWYG editor and markdown editor, an LDAPSAMLOIDC and API, and diagram support of diagrams.net as per the latest reviews. It means that Bookstack will be useful for internal wikis, SOPs, SaaS onboarding materials, and smaller knowledge bases. As it is open source software site, you do not need any subscription for getting basic features. So, however, Bookstack has some disadvantages. It is a documentation tool rather than a full-fledged enterprise content management system. And if your team needs workflow automation and high-level customization, you should use another software. Moreover, as it is self-hosted, it means that you have to manage your tool. Therefore, the trade-off becomes evident. You'll have more control, but more responsibility too. In terms of figuring out whether Bookstack is good for anyone, if the need is for dependable self-hosting document management system with a user-friendly interface even non-technical people can handle, Bookstack still is a worthy choice. On the contrary, in case of wanting a fully managed solution with no administrative burden and a more polished feel like enterprise solutions, there could be other choices. Finally, to summarize, Bookstack remains reliable as it does its sole purpose quite efficiently, helps organizing and sharing documents in a simple way.